Hey, what's up, good people? How you doing? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Do yourself a favor and come join the family by hitting the like, subscribe, and the notification bell, if you would please. And thank you. I'm going to get right into it. You can follow me on social media as the prompt tells you, but make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and notification bell. I got to hit all my cues manually now. My machine is not hooked up. Don't know why. All right, good people. Let's go into a few things. First of all, this is Moo Moo Monday. Get 8.1% and 15 free stock by depositing $1,000. If you want a trading trading platform, should I say, it's an excellent one with zero commission fees and zero equity options contract fees, okay? And only 6.8 margins, right? All right, so you guys know I'm not big on margins, right? And I'm really not big on leverage, but I did find a diamond for you guys, and I'm going to share with you guys what happened with me. I stumbled upon something, and we'll talk about that in a minute. Let's get right into it. Look at that. At the time of filming this, we have the Dow Jones down 500 points. So the Dow has literally been tanking today. S&P is down 60 points. NASDAQ is down 210, right? So we know it's the anniversary of the attack on Israel. And, that's when it hit all of the news and everything. And to be honest with you, I was one of the ones that thought something could, but because it was so expected, I didn't think it would, but I thought it could. We know that the workers are back on the docks. Last I checked, I haven't checked. I was out doing radio promoting the event. So things are just kind of iffy with the geopolitical situation right now. So right now it's the geopolitical situation. So we do have CPI coming on the 10th, I believe. I believe the 10th is Thursday. Usually CPI comes on a Wednesday, but I checked the data a while back and it was supposed to be on the 10th. The 10th is Thursday, so govern yourselves accordingly. All right. So I want to play this and I want you guys to see what Tom Lee thinks of the market. And before I play that, everything I've been saying is the same. I have not wavered in what I think is happening and what I think could be happening. We have a cool off period, which we are in. I expected an extenuation or an extension of September to go into October as far as days like these. And, October's going to be choppy.
Bull markets are supported by strong fundamentals, and this is a case where not only has the economy survived extremely high interest rates, but the Fed is beginning to cut rates. And an economy that has sort of been languishing has been China. And now we have some stimulus and what looks like some bazooka policies that is supporting that region. And we have a lot of cash on the sidelines. So I think that this is a formula for stocks to do pretty well the next 3 to 12 months. And that's why we think that we would be well beyond 5,700 before year end.
That is true. There is a lot of money on the sideline. I have a lot of money on the sidelines, and some of you do too. I just want to be clear for some of you guys that don't have any money in the market. I think that is a mistake. Some people have just been holding cash since 2022 and haven't put a dime in. I want to tell you to get used to using your apps, whatever your broker is, and find one or open one that has fractional shares and one that has automatic buying. Okay. And I buy stocks in my Fidelity every week. Fidelity doesn't allow you daily, but it allows you weekly. Of course, I got Moomoo and I got another app, and I have those set to buying daily even with my other app. Okay. And so I buy in very small amounts. I'm putting more into my accounts than I'm actually spending. So I'm piling up my cash reserve just in case. But I'm also in the market. I'm buying. Listen, even today, I bought some VTI, some VOO, okay? I bought some QQQ. And I bought some small caps. I bought some of the Russell 2000. And I buy them every time there's a red day. But they're automatically being bought on weekends. I'm sorry, on Fridays in my main portfolio, right? We always have to concentrate on long-term investing and creating true generational wealth. Small caps, in particular, the Russell 2000 has not been performing well. It's been kind of flat, but there are some small caps that individually have been performing well. And so not just buying the ETF, but some of the ones that I've been talking about, like PayPal, Affirm, even Palantir. Let's take a look. All right, so we could see here that for the day, let me bring that up. For the day, we got SoFi, Affirm, PayPal, and then I got the Russell 2000 down here to compare them to. These are known as buy now, pay later. These are all in the payment sort of atmosphere. And these will perform even better as the Fed continues to decrease interest rates. Follow? And so small caps have underperformed the Russell 2000, but I believe that there'll be a catch-up period. Me personally, I'm going to continue to add to the Russell 2000 while it's not performing or underperforming, and just wait. But I also have the individual stock that are doing well, even with today's downturn. Now we can see 2% down on SoFi and Affirm, 1.5% on the Russell 2000. But if you go to the 5-day, you could see a change. 1 month, you could see a really big change. PayPal is up 15%. SoFi is up 16% in the last month. Let's go 6 months out. So you could see that PayPal is up 20%, Affirm is up 13%, and then the Russell 2000 is underperforming. Now, sometimes it's better not to just buy the ETF, but to go stock picking. All right. So let me go and look at PayPal itself. I'm sorry, Palantir. And we can see that Palantir now is down 2.5%, 2.67 at the time of filming this. But if we go to the month, it's up a whopping 12%, right? But if we go year to date, look at that, good people. We can't argue with that. 134% on Palantir, not PayPal, but Palantir. Palantir has really, really outperformed. Some analysts think that is topping out right now. I'm not selling any of mine. Sorry about that. I'm just going to be adding to my positions as it gets beat down. This is the stock Palantir that I'm going to continue to hold. I easily see it being $100 stock. Some people got ridiculous, price predictions, but I could see Palantir one day being $100 stock. What about you? Leave that for me. We got more to cover. Now let's look at this, good people. This is leveraging, all right? MSTX is a leverage position from MSTR, MicroStrategy, right? All right, so this is a bull ETF, right? So it goes up more when MicroStrategy go up. Now, let me say this right now. Anything I say is not a suggestion for you to buy, hold, or sell. Just like something can go up twice the rate, it could fall twice the rate. All right. So I just want to share with you something that I did on Friday, show you exactly what happened just to put it on your radar. All right. So let's go. Here we go. All right. So let's look here. Bitcoin today is up. Look at that. 0.76%, right? Less than a percent. MicroStrategy is up 6%. But the MicroStrategy Bull ETF, MicroStrategy Bull, which is leverage, is up 10% today. Now, for those of you that have MicroStrategy, you go, oh, that's great. But just remember, as quick as it goes up, it could also come down, right? But what I did on Friday is I put a a option in for the leverage, which is extremely risky. So I didn't bring it to the Patreon because I thought that there was a possibility that there could have been war over the weekend and the market could have tanked even more. MicroStrategy could have went down. The reason why I'm making this video today is to put this on your radar, because usually MicroStrategy lags behind Bitcoin. Though MicroStrategy is a owner, all it is tracking Bitcoin. If you look at what they're doing. So when Bitcoin goes up, MicroStrategy goes up. When Bitcoin comes down, MicroStrategy comes down, but not at the same time. There's a lag. So there's money to be made when you think it's going to move the other way, meaning MicroStrategy. Okay. Now we all caught up. All right. So this is how I want to put this on your radar so you can watch it. Only going with one contract, good people. So here's what I did. So on Friday, I bought one contract, right? And as you can see, on the 15th of November, when it expires, it is up 98% now. It was pricey. That's another reason why I didn't want to share it, but this is not for now. So don't say, hey, Larry, why did you just show us this? No, this is for the next time this happened, which could be tomorrow. I want you to track this. There's more money to be made in this. But like I said, I don't like bringing these up because somebody will buy at the top and then Bitcoin will drop and you're going to lose 4 or 5 times your money with this. OK, but I do want to show you what I did. Now, I had no idea it filled, to be honest with you. Look at that. It filled just before closing bell on Friday. And right now it's up 98%. Of course, you know, I wish I'd went in more, but it was a gamble, right? That's what it was. All right. So now look at this. This was another one that I had an order that did not fill, right? So I had 2 different positions at 2 different expiration dates. This one did not fill, but look at this. When I hit, you can see where it is, right? November 15th, a different price. MicroStrategy at $32. It did not fill because I put in an order that was lower than where it currently was, right? So had this filled, it would be up 92%, as you can see in the middle there. It would have been up 92%. Actually, it would have been up over 100% because my buy order was lower than this. Okay. I looked at it just before I hit recording and it was up 120%. Okay. So I just want to put that on your radar. For those of you that are skilled options traders that didn't know that this exists, and you're also into crypto and you wanted some safer leverage on Bitcoin, I am not a big fan of leverage crypto, right? I've just turned down $400,000 for a year contract to promote a leverage product in crypto, because I thought it would put you guys in danger. And I said, no, I would not do it. Yep. They have deep pockets and I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it. I want you guys to be in a position where, you know, for those of you that want to do that, you can go somewhere else and do that. I'm not. Let's look at crypto really quick. I know I have a lot to cover. All right. Bitcoin right now. Yeah, pretty flat. For the day, as you could see, flat for the week. We could see that too, right? Everything is pretty flat except XRP. Look at that. Womp womp, down 13% for the week, but I just started talking about it again last week. So pretty flat, no biggie. Like I said, it's the smallest position, right? But I'd rather talk about it while it's still beat down because the SEC is trying to open up that case, right? But let's look at the memes right quick. Then we can go and we could see Bunk is up for the day 1.5%, but Dog with Hat is up 10.6%, right? What else was there? This one. Man, these names are crazy. First Nero on Ethereum, all right? This one is up 39% today and it's up 53% for the week. Don't go chasing. All right. All right. So I just wanted to bring that up to you guys. So good people, listen, you guys already know about Moo, but I also want those of you that want to make money and not just look at my videos every day, but make your own money. Go to StockUpU, not just stocks, but crypto too. Not just to myself, but you got these good people, and we're adding investing with Ashley to this. All right. And then good people, come and join us. Look at that. Look at that. Today at the radio, you see right here, 2-for-1 deal. My team is going to kill me, but we are allowing 2-for-1 right now. 2-for-1 right now. So let me just say this. This is going to go on for the next 24 hours. This was a promotion that I gave at the radio station. I want to extend it to you guys just in case you were listening this morning. 2-for-1. That means that, hey, Larry, I already bought a ticket. If you bought a ticket, you can come +1. Okay, just show your ticket at the door and then have a +1 for you. It doesn't matter which ticket you bought. All right. We want to pour into you guys. Right. But you guys see the lineup. We are going to have a time. All right. All right. Good people. Sorry, I got a splitting headache. I know you could tell I'm all over the place, but I had so much I wanted to talk about, and I was trying to get this up just a few minutes before closing bell. Hopefully I can. All right. All right. Love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.